Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Trade Management tool. The Trade Management tool enables a user to automate their trading by configuring trade management levels on the chart up front during the trade analysis and setup phase. This removes the need to be constantly watching the chart whilst waiting for price to reach specific levels. All trade management events are automatically logged for journaling purposes and displayed on the chart, providing the user with a complete record of all activity. Trade management event notifications can also be sent via email, to mobile devices, or to the MT terminal, depending on user configuration. This tutorial will provide an overview of the Trade Management tool and demonstrate how to use the closed trade option. The other trade management modes and functionality will be covered in separate tutorials. So let's take a look at the Trade Management tool window and the trade management options provided. The Trade Management tool is accessed by selecting the corresponding trade entry on the grid and selecting the Manage Trade option. So for this demonstration, let's select to manage the live $-yen trade running under the GKFX Forex install. The Trade Management window consists of several panels as follows. Trade Management mode. This panel is used to select the required trade management mode and time frame. Trade Information. This panel displays the corresponding trade specifics of the trade being managed. Take Profit mode. This panel is used to set up Take Profit trade specifics. Close Trade. This panel is used to set up and execute full or part closing of trades. Lock-in Profit mode. This panel is used to set up lock-in profit trade specifics. And Trailing Stop mode. This panel is used to set up trailing stop trade specifics. The Trade Management mode panel displays the three trade management options currently provided by the Blackbox Trade Controller. The three modes of operation are Take Profit, Lock-in Profit, and Trailing Stop. Below is the Prompts option, which when enabled displays instructions on the setup of the selected trade management mode. And in the bottom left is the Reset button, which can be used to reset the selected trade management mode. The available MT4 timeframes that can be selected for trade setup are displayed on the right. As mentioned previously, full details on the setup and operation of the trade management modes are covered in separate tutorials. The corresponding trade specifics are displayed in the information panel as follows. The trade bank in the deposit currency, in this case £5,000. The trade risk of £100.69 is shown in brackets. The trade size as a percentage of the trade bank is currently 2.01%. The R value of the initial profit target is currently 2R. The lot size is 5.8 and the lot step size is 0.1. The chart button in the bottom right operates in the same way as the chart position tool. When selected, the associated MetaTrader install will be brought to the foreground to display the trade. The Apply button in the bottom left is currently disabled, since this is only valid when managing EA pending zone trades, the details of which are covered in a separate tutorial. The Closed Trade panel displays the trade risk in the deposit currency in brackets. The Close button can be used to manually close all or part of the trade. The drop-down list to the right lists the lot size in lot step size increments as determined by the broker. And the field to the right displays the trade risk as a percentage of the trade bank. Firstly, let's close out 50% of this $-yen trade by selecting the appropriate amount from the drop-down list, which in this case is 2.9, since the lot size is 5.8. Notice that the trade risk field has been automatically updated from 2.01% to 1.01%. Now click the Close button. A message is displayed with the part closed trade specifics which the user must confirm before execution. On clicking the OK button, the trade management window is closed and the part close is executed. The chart has been updated to show the result of the part close with a solid rectangle which is 1/3 of the height of the original or parent trade. As has the trade console, which now shows the parent trade in the completed trades list and the resulting child trade in the live trade list under the GKFX Forex install. In addition, a record of these events are now showing in the live event grid. The alerts panel has been updated to inform the user and the trade complete count is now 1. Now let's select the Manage Trade option for the resulting child trade and close it out completely. This can be done by selecting the full lot size, in this case 2.9, and clicking the Close button. A message is displayed with the full closed trade specifics which the user must confirm before execution. On clicking the OK button, the trade management window is closed and the full close is executed. As before, the chart and trade console have been updated. A record of the event is showing in the live event grid. The alerts panel has been updated to inform the user and the trade complete count is now 2. The trade controller logs every event associated with each trade, including those related to trade management, providing a complete record of the trade history. At any time, the user can select a trade entry from the live event grid or the trade console grid to access the event history option. When the event history option is selected, a separate window is displayed detailing all events relating to the selected trade. Details of the trade event history tool are covered in a separate tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.